Hello, this is Amanda the Nerdy Krafter, and I am back today with our Art Impressions Watercolor Advent Calendar. This has been such a fun adventure. I am so excited to see what is in store for us today on day 17. We have 2 rows left of our Advent. I'm having to hold this up so you can see it because my desk is just not big enough for this beautiful Advent. So let me just turn on its side. That works. We can make this work. And let's see. Oh, I love this beautiful little sprig here. I'm loving all the foliage that we're receiving in this kit. It is absolutely breathtaking. So if you have not seen this before, I am storing all of my stamps on this picture frame that I got from the Dollar Tree. I treat my stamp when I get it, make sure I get off any of the oils that are used during the manufacturing process. And today I'm actually going to do something very similar to one of the inspiration pieces that you receive in the set. I think I've done something similar on one of my other projects, but it's just a fun card to make. So what I'm intending on doing, so I'm going to layer this up real quick, and then I'm going to bring in my zero ruler. I am enjoying these zero rulers so very much. They have been an absolute lifesaver when I'm trying to place things where they need to go. Okay, so line that up at the top, and then line this up. Okay, so that's going to be the center of this. So what I'm looking for here is I'm going to do, in the inspiration piece, she utilized a piece of the 3M Post-it note tape, so we use this a lot to kind of mask things off. I love this sentiment. I think I've used it on one of my other cards, and my intention is to put it here with just a little bit of foliage above and below. So that's what my intention is. I'm going to use kind of the same inspiration that was given to us for one of the classes or the cards that were supplied. And so that is what we are going to do. So I am going to go ahead and just let you listen along while I watercolor. So I hope you enjoy, and I will be back at the end. One last thing, since I did watercolor this, I need to sign it. All right, here is our day 17 card. This one was inspired by one of the sets, the card sets that was done in the video for the inspiration pieces with the Advent, but just a quick, fast card. I love how easy these are, and they add such great value when you give these out as gifts. People just absolutely love to receive a hand-painted card. So thank you very much for watching. This is Amanda the Nerdy Krafter, and come back and join me tomorrow for day 18. Talk to you later. Bye.